Artificial intelligence is transforming every aspect of our lives, from filtering spam emails to providing smart assistants. And yet, with its rapid evolution comes a barrage of technical terms and complex processes that can be hard to untangle. So, if you are ever felt overwhelmed by the myriad of concepts in AI, you're not alone. This video is designed to break down the essentials through 10 straightforward Q&As, and as a bonus, we will conclude with a dedicated reflection on how Scrum, a popular agile framework, can support and enhance AI projects. Okay, so let's start with the question number 1. Which type of AI powers today's email spam filters and speech recognition? The answer is artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. ANI is specialized to perform specific tasks, whether it's filtering email spam, recognizing speech, or processing web searches. ANI systems excel in their narrow domains. Okay, now with an understanding of how specialized AI functions, let's delve into how AI learns from data. What do you call the common AI technology for learning input A to output B mappings? The answer is supervised learning. Supervised learning involves training models on labeled data so they can learn to map a given input A to the correct output B. It is the most commonly used method in AI for tasks such as image classification or language translation. Having established the basis of supervised learning, consider what it takes to build an effective AI model, particularly in challenging applications like speech recognition. So, the question number 3 is, how do you achieve the best performance in a speech recognition system using supervised learning? The answer is a large data set of audio files and the corresponding test transcripts, and a large neural network. Now, let me give you an explanation for this. A vast dataset ensures that the model learns the diverse nuances of speech, while a larger neural network architecture is better equipped to extract complex patterns and deliver improved performance. Okay, now that we see the importance of data and model size, it's time to address a common misconception about data labeling. So the question number 4 is manual labeling the only way to acquire data for supervised learning? The answer is false. It's not. While manual labeling is one approach, data can also be collected through alternative methods such as analyzing user behavior, and this flexibility allows organizations to leverage a wider array of data sources without relying solely on manual processes. Now, speaking of data, not all data is created equal, so let's explore how to determine which data is most valuable. Some types of data are more valuable than others. Working with an AI team can help you figure out what data to acquire. Now, let me explain this. The relevance and quality of data are critical. An experienced AI team can identify which data sets will drive the most impactful insights, ensuring the efforts are focused on acquiring data that truly matters. Understanding data value naturally leads to distinguishing between structured and unstructured data, a concept that plays a significant role in many industries. Okay, so the question number 6 is, which of the following are examples of unstructured data for a scooter manufacturing company? So the answer is audio files of the engine sound of your scooters and pictures of your scooters. Now let me explain this. Unlike numerical data arranged in rows and columns, unstructured data such as images and audio files lacks a predefined format and often requires specialized processing to extract meaningful information. With data types clarified, let's see how these insights translate into actionable outcomes in business context. So the question number 7 is, what might be a good result for a data science project for a cat food website? So answer is insights into how to market cat food more effectively based on the breed of cat, and a slide deck presenting a plan on how to modify pricing to improve sales. Now, let me explain this. Both outcomes represent valuable business insights, targeted marketing strategies, and optimal pricing models that directly influence sales and growth. Next, we'll clarify the often confusing terminology that surrounds AI. So, the question number 8 is, how do deep learning, machine learning, and AI relate? The answer is, deep learning is a subset of machine learning, meaning all deep learning algorithms are part of the broader machine learning field. And the terms deep learning and neural network are often used interchangeably. Deep learning leverages neural networks with multiple layers to process complex data. Although these terms are sometimes used interchangeably, it's important to understand their distinct places within the AI ecosystem. Okay, after untangling the terminology, let's examine the strategic strength of AI companies. The question number 9 is, which of the following do AI companies excel at? And answer is strategic data acquisition, investment in unified data warehouses, and spotting automation opportunities. Now, successful AI companies excel by integrating various competencies, from securing the right data to building a robust data infrastructure and identifying automation possibilities that drive efficiency. And finally, we arrived at the practical demonstration of AI capabilities in replicating a task that humans perform effortlessly. So the question number 10 is, can supervised learning quickly learn to recognize a smiling face? And answer is yes. Tasks such as recognizing a smile, sometimes human can do almost instantly. We are well suited for supervised learning. With clear label data, AI can rapidly learn these mappings and perform at a high level. Okay, as I promised at the beginning of this video, let's do some Scrum reflection as an agile insight for AI projects. So after exploring these 10 foundational Q&As on AI, it's clear that understanding and implementing AI is a process of continuous learning and adaptation. And that is where Scrum framework comes into play. So first, iterative improvement. Just as AI models improve with each training iteration, Scrum leverage short, focused sprints that allow teams to inspect and adapt their work continuously. Each sprint serves as a mini experiment, a chance to incorporate new data, test hypotheses, and refine strategies for better performance. Next is prioritization and flexibility. In both AI projects and Scrum, prioritization is key. For AI, not all data is equally valuable, so for Scrum, not every task holds the same weight. So the product owner role is to refining and prioritizing the backlog mirrors the need for selecting the right data and methodologies that will yield the most impactful results. Next is cross-functional collaboration. AI projects require a blend of skills, from data science and engineering to business analysis. Similarly, Scrum thrives on cross-functional teams where every member contributes their unique expertise. This collaborative environment is essential for navigating the complexities of AI development and ensuring that every sprint delivers measurable progress. Next is flexible feedback loops. Both AI and Scrum rely on rapid feedback. In AI models, just based on real time data and error correction, in Scrum, daily stand ups and sprint reviews provide opportunities to assess progress and pivot as needed. This shared emphasis on feedback fosters an environment where continuous improvement isn't just encouraged, it's built into the process. And finally, adaptability in a dynamic landscape. The AI field is evolving so fast, and so are the challenges it presents. Scrum iterative approach allows teams to remain nimble, quickly adapting to new findings or shifting market needs. This flexibility ensured that the project remained aligned with strategic objectives even in the face of rapid technologies advancements. Okay, let's conclude this video with the final thoughts. So, understanding AI doesn't have to be overwhelming. By breaking down the concept into clear, digestible Q&As, we hope to have demystified some of the complexities behind the technology. So, as you venture into AI projects, remember that embracing agile methodologies like Scrum framework can help your team iterate faster, prioritize better, and ultimately deliver more impactful solutions. So, are you ready to harness AI with agility of Scrum? Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation on how to make technology work smart for all of us. Thank you for watching.